Hey, I'm Zach. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the rules feature in Warp to have Warp's agent remember important context. And the feature I'm going to show you today, rules you should specifically use for global context for the agent. We have a different feature that is more project specific. So we'll show that in a different video. So anyhow, how does this work? When would you want to use rules? Why would you want to use them? So let me show you a use case. I'm going to go ahead and run my Rust compiler here, and you're going to see that we have a unused variable in one of the functions that is in our code base. If I wanted to look at it, I could go ahead and open this up, click open in Warp, and you can see where the function is. You can see this second parameter isn't used, doesn't need to be there. So what I would typically do is I would go ahead and use this prompt suggestion in Warp to try to fix this. I'm going to hit Command Enter to execute it, and we'll see what it does. Now, what I would like it to do is remove the variable and clean up the callers. But what it's going to do is do what the compiler output suggested. So the compiler output suggested prefix it with an underscore. I don't want to even leave the variable in. That's not generally how we work at Warp. I think the better thing to do from a software engineering standpoint here is just remove the variable entirely, not just kind of hide this warning by prefixing it. So I'm going to hit Control C. I'm not going to accept this change. And I'm going to go ahead and set up a rule in Warp so that Warp's agent knows how to fix this correctly. So to get to rules, you click up here and open Warp Drive. Rules live under your personal section. I am going to go ahead and click Add. By the way, you can also get to the rules by doing Command P and type rules. That's another way in. And I'm going to add a rule here that says no unused function parameters in Rust. And then I'm just going to describe the rule. I'm going to speak to Warp because it's faster. When there are unused variable warnings from the Rust compiler, please fix them by removing the variable, not by prefixing the variable with an underscore. So a simple rule, I'm going to click Save. Now, this should apply to all future situations where the compiler sees this. This is a good example, I think, of a global rule because I would want this on any Rust code base that we do. It's not specific to one Rust code base. I'm going to go ahead and clear my terminal. I'm going to hit cargo check again. Okay, I'm going to get the same sort of prompt suggestion to fix, to fix the warning. Let me just get that back. I'm going to hit Command Enter. And now the rule should be honored, and this should be fixed in the correct way. So you'll see here, according to your rules, I should remove the unused variable rather than prefix it with an underscore. So now it's going to make the change. This is going to involve more than just adding an underscore. You're going to have to adjust the callers. It should be smart enough here to fix this in both places. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so it actually removed the variable here, which is what I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And then it's going to remove it from the caller as well. And it's going to rebuild it by running cargo check. And we got a clean compile. Cool. So that's how you use rules. And I hope this was helpful.